Did you know that not all belly fat is created equal? Visceral fat, the type that surrounds your organs, is more dangerous than subcutaneous fat, the type that lies just beneath the skin. Belly fat is metabolically active, meaning it produces hormones that can increase your risk of chronic diseases. Genetics play a role in where you store fat, but your lifestyle choices have a much bigger impact. Losing even a small amount of belly fat can significantly improve your health. Let's face it, we've all been there, staring at our reflection, wondering why that stubborn belly fat just won't budge. It's frustrating, right? You might be eating right, exercising regularly, and still that belly fat seems to cling on for dear life. It can feel like no matter what you do, it just won't go away. Well, here's the thing. Belly fat is not just a cosmetic concern, it's a health one too. It's more than just about fitting into your favorite pair of jeans or looking good in a swimsuit. It's linked to serious conditions like heart disease and diabetes. Excess belly fat, particularly the visceral fat that surrounds your organs, can increase your risk of these chronic diseases. So why is belly fat so stubborn? First, it's about hormones play a significant role in how and where your body stores fat. You see, belly fat loves to hold on to stress hormones like cortisol. When you're stressed, your body releases cortisol, which signals your body to store fat, especially around your midsection. These hormones tell your body to store fat, especially around your midsection. This is why stress management is crucial when it comes to losing belly fat. Second, it's about blood flow is essential for fat metabolism. Belly fat has a lower blood supply compared to other areas, which makes it harder to burn off. This means that even when you're working out, it can be more challenging to target this area. Think of it like trying to extinguish a fire with a dribble of water. It's not easy, but don't worry. There are ways to improve blood flow to this area and enhance fat burning. Just because belly fat is stubborn doesn't mean it's invincible. With persistence and the right strategies, you can overcome it. With the right approach, you can win this battle. This includes a combination of diet, exercise, and lifestyle changes. We'll explore those strategies together step by step. From understanding the right foods to eat to the most effective exercises and how to manage stress, we'll cover it all. Stay tuned and let's tackle this challenge head on. Let's talk about the golden rule of weight loss calories in versus calories out. It's simple math really, but understanding it is just the beginning. To lose weight, you need to burn more calories than you consume. This means engaging in physical activities that elevate your heart rate and help you burn those extra calories. This creates what we call a calorie deficit is essential for weight loss because it forces your body to use stored fat for energy. Think of your body like a car. Just as a car needs fuel to run, your body needs food to function. Food is the fuel, and exercise is the driving. The more you drive, the more fuel you burn. If you fill your car with more fuel than you burn, it gets stored away, in your case, as fat. This is why it's crucial to balance your food intake with your activity level. To create a calorie deficit, you can either eat less, move more, or better yet, do both. Combining a healthy diet with regular exercise is the most effective way to achieve and maintain a calorie deficit. Don't worry, this doesn't mean starving yourself or spending hours at the gym. Small, consistent changes can make a big difference. It's about making smart choices consistently over time. For example, choosing whole foods over processed ones and finding physical activities you enjoy. Start tracking your calorie intake and expenditure. There are many apps and tools available that can help you keep track of what you eat and how much you move. This will give you a clearer picture of your daily habits and help you make adjustments as needed. By understanding your patterns, you can identify areas for improvement and set realistic goals. Remember, weight loss is a journey, not a sprint. Celebrate your progress, no matter how small, and stay committed to your goals. With the right mindset and tools, you can win the war on fat. You can't out-exercise a bad diet. What you eat plays a crucial role in banishing belly fat. It's time to ditch the processed junk and embrace whole, unprocessed foods. Think colorful fruits and vegetables bursting with fiber, lean proteins that keep you feeling full and energized, and healthy fats that support your metabolism. These foods not only nourish your body but also help regulate your blood sugar levels, preventing those dreaded sugar crashes that lead to cravings and overeating. Now let's talk about what to avoid. Sugary drinks, processed snacks, and excessive amounts of unhealthy fats. These foods are loaded with empty calories that contribute to belly fat storage. Exercise isn't just about burning calories, it's about building a stronger, healthier you. When it comes to banishing belly fat, a combination of cardio and strength training is your winning ticket. Cardiovascular exercises like running, swimming, and dancing get your heart pumping and help you torch calories. Strength training exercises like squats, lunges, and push-ups build lean muscle mass, which boosts your metabolism and helps you burn more calories even at rest. Remember, consistency is key. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity exercise most days of the week, and don't be afraid to challenge yourself. As you get stronger, gradually increase the intensity and duration of your workouts. Section 5. Hit it hard, turbocharge your workouts for optimal results. Ready to take your workouts to the next level? Whether you're a seasoned athlete or just starting your fitness journey, there's always room to push your limits and achieve more. Then it's time to crank up the intensity with HIIT or high-intensity interval training. This workout method is designed to push you to your limits and beyond, offering a challenging yet rewarding experience. High-height workouts involve short bursts of intense exercise followed by brief periods of rest or active recovery. These intervals are strategically designed to maximize your effort and give your body just enough time to recover before the next burst. This method has been proven to be incredibly effective for burning fat, boosting your metabolism, and improving your cardiovascular health. By pushing your heart rate up and then allowing it to come down slightly, you create a powerful fat-burning environment. A typical HIIT workout might include exercises like burpees, mountain climbers, and jump squats, performed at maximum effort for 30 seconds, followed by 15 seconds of rest. These exercises are chosen for their ability to engage multiple muscle groups and elevate your heart rate quickly. Repeat this cycle for 15 to 20 minutes for a total body burn. The beauty of high-height is that it doesn't require a lot of time to be effective. Even a short session can leave you feeling accomplished and exhausted. High-height workouts are time-efficient and can be easily modified to suit your fitness level. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced athlete, you can adjust the intensity and duration of each interval to match your capabilities. Just remember to listen to your body and take breaks when needed. It's important to push yourself, but not to the point of injury. Proper form and adequate rest are key to getting the most out of your height workouts. After your high-height session, don't forget to cool down and stretch. This helps to reduce muscle soreness and improve flexibility, setting you up for your next workout. So are you ready to height it hard and turbocharge your workouts for optimal results? Section 6. Sleep your way to slim. The surprising connection between rest and weight loss. Believe it or not, getting enough sleep is just as important for weight loss as diet and exercise. When you're sleep deprived, your body produces more of the stress hormone cortisol, which, as we know, loves to cling to belly fat. Lack of sleep also messes with your hunger hormones, making you crave sugary, fatty foods and increasing your appetite overall. Not exactly a recipe for a flatter tummy, right? Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. Make sure your bedroom is cool, dark, and quiet, and establish a relaxing bedtime routine to signal to your body that it's time to wind down. Section 7. Stress less, weigh less, managing your mind for a healthier body. Stress, it's a part of life, but too much of it can wreak havoc on your waistline. Chronic stress elevates cortisol levels, leading to increased belly fat storage. It can also trigger unhealthy coping mechanisms like emotional eating and cravings for comfort foods. Finding healthy ways to manage stress is crucial for both your mental and physical well-being. Incorporate stress-reducing activities into your daily routine, such as yoga, meditation, deep breathing exercises, or spending time in nature. Belly fat facts. Surprising truths you need to know. Let's uncover some little-known facts about belly fat. Did you know that not all belly fat is created equal? Visceral fat, the type that surrounds your organs, is more dangerous than subcutaneous fat, the type that lies just beneath the skin. Belly fat is metabolically active, meaning it produces hormones that can increase your risk of chronic diseases. Genetics play a role in where you store fat, but your lifestyle choices have a much bigger impact. Losing even a small amount of belly fat can significantly improve your health. Putting it all together, your personalized plan for a slimmer waistline. Now that you understand the science behind belly fat, it's time to create a personalized plan that fits your lifestyle. Start by setting realistic goals. Aim to lose 1 to 2 pounds of belly fat per week. This is a healthy and sustainable rate of weight loss. Focus on making gradual changes to your diet and exercise routine. Drastic measures are rarely sustainable in the long run. Find an exercise buddy or support group to keep you motivated and accountable. Don't be afraid to ask for help from a certified personal trainer or registered dietitian if you need guidance. Staying motivated. Winning the long-term game of weight loss. Losing belly fat is a journey, not a race. There will be ups and downs, but it's important to stay motivated and focused on your goals. Celebrate your successes along the way. No matter how small they may seem, acknowledge your achievements to stay positive. Don't dwell on setbacks. Everyone slips up from time to time. Learn from your mistakes and move on. Find an activity you enjoy and make it a part of your routine. Exercise shouldn't feel like a chore. Surround yourself with supportive people who encourage your healthy habits. The bottom line, you've got this. Losing belly fat requires a holistic approach that encompasses diet, exercise, sleep, stress management, and a positive mindset. By incorporating the tips and tricks, you'll be well on your way to achieving a slimmer, healthier you. Remember, you are capable of amazing things. Believe in yourself, stay committed to your goals, and never give up on your journey to a healthier, happier you.